Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you the coolest trending gadgets everyone will be using in 2026. These gadgets are smart, futuristic, and way too cool to ignore. So let's get started. Experience next-level aerial creativity with the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo with DJI RC2. Equipped with cutting-edge dual primary cameras, this powerful drone captures stunning 4K video and 48-megapixel photos with unmatched clarity and versatility. The combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, allowing for extended flight time so you can stay in the air longer and capture more. With a maximum video transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, you'll enjoy a seamless, ultra-clear live feed even at long distances. FAA Remote ID compliant for safe and legal flying. The DJI Air 3 is your ultimate tool for cinematic drone content, whether you're a seasoned pilot or just taking off. Stay organized and inspired with the AINOTE Air 2, an 8.2-inch AI note-taking tablet that blends the feel of writing on paper with the power of digital innovation. Designed for students, professionals, and creatives alike, this smart digital notebook comes with a responsive pen and features voice-to-text transcription for fast, hands-free note capture. With multi-language ChatGPT support, it's perfect for multilingual communication, study assistance, and real-time AI interaction. Whether you're in a meeting, lecture, or brainstorming session, the AINOTE Air 2 is your ultimate supernote companion, offering a smarter, more efficient way to write, think, and organize. Meet the PLAUD NotePen AI voice recorder, the wearable ultralight note taker powered by GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Capture ideas instantly with a simple tap, recording crystal clear, AI-enhanced audio completely hands-free. With a 20-hour battery life, 64 gigabytes of storage, and fast, accurate transcription in 112 languages, it's the perfect companion for meetings, lectures, and on-the-go inspiration. Instantly summarize, create mind maps, and sync securely to the cloud, all while keeping your data fully encrypted and private. Smart, seamless, and secure. The future of note-taking is here. Bring the big screen anywhere with the Yaber T2 outdoor projector, featuring native 1080p resolution, JBL sound, and Dolby audio for rich cinematic experiences up to 120 inches. Its built-in battery offers up to 2.5 hours of video playback or 18 hours of audio, making it perfect for outdoor movie nights or music on the go. With 450 ANSI lumens, a smart tilt stand, auto screen alignment, and support for Wi-Fi 6 and two-way Bluetooth, setup is effortless and the visuals are stunning. Stream, cast, or plug in your TV dongle. This projector does it all with versatile connectivity and immersive audio-visual performance. Break language barriers effortlessly with the Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, featuring bidirectional simultaneous translation in real time. Supporting 40 languages, these smart translator earbuds are perfect for calls, video chats, business meetings, or travel. Powered by advanced AI, they deliver smooth, natural conversations without the need to pause. Compatible with both iOS and Android via the intuitive Timekettle app, the W4 Pro offers a seamless, hands-free translation experience right in your ear. Meet Luna, the V24 smart robot dog, your AI-powered pet and companion that combines charm, intelligence, and interactive tech. With real-time voice and gesture interaction, facial recognition, and playful animations, Luna brings lifelike companionship into your home. Now supporting 4 new languages and 6 new gestures, she's more intuitive than ever. Powered by GPT-4 and Amazon Lex, Luna offers advanced conversation, smooth obstacle navigation, home monitoring, and interactive app games. With upgraded motion, responsiveness, and adaptive learning, Luna evolves with you, making every interaction smarter, warmer, and more personal. Stay on top of your health and wellness with the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. 40mm Bluetooth, the 2024 AI-powered smartwatch designed to help you live smarter and feel better every day. With features like energy score, personalized wellness tips, advanced heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and a full suite fitness tracker, it's your all-in-one companion for a healthier lifestyle. Sleek, intuitive, and built with Samsung's latest technology, the Galaxy Watch 7 keeps you connected and motivated around the clock. Transform your phone into a powerful 4K 60 FPS AI sports camera with the Chameleon AI sports camera, designed for athletes, coaches, and teams. With auto tracking for over 20 sports, live streaming, and automatic highlight generation, all with no subscription required, it's the smartest way to capture the action. Enjoy 360-degree panoramic tracking, an ultra-wide 120-degree lens, AI editing, and seamless control via Bluetooth or Apple Watch. Compatible with iOS and Android, the Chameleon brings pro-level sports videography to your pocket. Smart, effortless, and game-ready. Unleash your creativity with the HUION Inspiroi H64P drawing tablet, a compact yet powerful 6x4-inch digital art tool, perfect for drawing, designing, writing, and online teaching. Featuring a battery-free stylus with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it delivers precise, natural pen control for every stroke. With 6 customizable shortcut keys and seamless compatibility with Mac PC and Android mobile devices, this lightweight tablet is ideal for artists, educators, and professionals looking for performance and portability in one sleek package. Upgrade your MacBook's connectivity with the mini USB-C Hub Adapter dongle. Designed for 2025 to 2020 MacBook Air, 13-inch and 15-inch M, 4M, 3M, 2M1. This sleek, ultra-compact adapter expands your laptop's potential with 4K HDMI output, 100W power delivery PD charging, blazing fast 40 Gbps Thunderbolt 3 support with 5K at 60 Hz video, plus USB-C and 2 USB 3.0 ports for high-speed data transfer. Whether you're working, streaming, or charging on the go, this hub delivers seamless performance in a pocket-sized design, perfect for productivity without compromise. Discover wellness in a sleek, wearable form with the Oura Ring 4, silver, size 8, the ultimate smart ring for tracking sleep, heart rate, activity, and overall health. Designed for comfort and precision, it offers up to 8 days of battery life in a minimalist, stylish band. Start with the Oura Ring 4 sizing kit to ensure the perfect fit before committing. Whether you're focused on recovery, performance, or daily readiness, Oura delivers advanced insights in a ring that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Meet the AnkerWork S600, the ultimate all-in-one speakerphone that blends premium audio, smart features, and seamless convenience. Designed for work and life on the go, it features 360-degree sound, AI noise-canceling microphones, and a 70-degree adjustable magnetic phone stand for optimal video call positioning. Enjoy crystal-clear communication and powerful audio, plus fast, cable-free charging with Qi 215-watt wireless charging. With Bluetooth connectivity and a 16-hour built-in battery, the S600 is your portable powerhouse for calls, music, and productivity, anytime, anywhere. Never lose track of what matters with the Apple AirTag, the smart, secure way to find your essentials. Instantly pairing with your iPhone or iPad, AirTag works seamlessly with the Find My app to help you locate lost items in seconds. Use precision finding, ask Siri, or follow the built-in speaker's sound to zero in on your belongings. And with encrypted, anonymous tracking through Apple's vast global Find My network, your privacy stays protected every step of the way. Elevate your content creation with the Viozon extendable selfie phone stand, the all-in-one solution for recording, live streaming, TikTok, YouTube, and photography. Featuring an overhead mount, 360-degree rotation, and a rechargeable, foldable design, it's built for flexibility and portability. The built-in LED selfie light offers 5 brightness levels and 3 color modes, ensuring perfect lighting in any environment. Whether you're shooting overhead tutorials or streaming hands-free, Viozon delivers pro-level results with ease. Tackle dust with precision and power using the Wolfbox MF100 electric air duster, featuring a 150,000 RPM brushless motor for unmatched cleaning performance. This cordless, rechargeable air blower offers 3 adjustable speed settings, making it perfect for cleaning computers, keyboards, cars, outdoor gear, and household surfaces. Built with durability and convenience in mind, the MF100 replaces traditional canned air with an eco-friendly, high-performance solution you can rely on, anywhere, anytime. Stay ready for every ride with the Auxbeam Tiny Bike Pump with Gauge, a compact yet powerful 120 psi electric bicycle pump designed for ultimate portability and precision. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, it's perfect for road bikes, city bikes, mountain bikes, and e-bikes. Whether you're topping off tires before a commute or inflating on the trail, this reliable pump delivers quick, accurate pressure with ease, making it an essential tool for every cyclist. Protect what matters with the slide-away biometric gun safe designed to securely store 2 handguns with quick access via fingerprint, PIN, or key. Ideal for nightstands and home defense. A sleek LCD display keeps you informed with real-time temperature, humidity, time, battery level, and unlock status, while silent mode ensures discreet operation. With its modern acrylic design, this safe blends advanced security with sophisticated style, bringing peace of mind without compromising aesthetics. Stay connected and hands-free during workouts with the MiiKARE Gym Phone Holder, a magnetic 360 rotating mount designed for both home and gym use. Compatible with all iPhones, it securely attaches to gym equipment or flat surfaces, letting you stream, track fitness, or take calls with ease. Compact, sturdy, and easy to use, it's the perfect workout companion for anyone who wants convenience and focus without missing a beat. Power up in style with the Baseus Picogo Power Bank, an ultra-slim 0.3-inch MagSafe portable charger that packs 5,000 milliamp hours of reliable energy into a card-sized, lightweight design. Perfect for on-the-go charging, it features strong magnetic alignment, a premium alloy build, and a USB-C braided cable for added durability. Compatible with iPhone MagSafe devices, the Picogo delivers fast, wireless charging in a sleek, pocket-friendly form, perfect for travel, commutes, or everyday carry. Experience ultimate typing comfort with the wireless ergonomic split mechanical keyboard, a compact, hot-swappable, and tactile keyboard built for productivity and posture. Designed for both Mac and Windows, it offers wireless connectivity, full programmability, and a long-lasting battery for seamless all-day performance. Complete with a premium walnut palm rest, this keyboard blends ergonomic support with mechanical precision to deliver a superior custom typing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos featuring the coolest gadgets.